A square lamina ABCD of 40 mm sides resting on corner C. It is a 10th problem. Such that the diagonal, so here once again the diagonal is there. Diagonal AC appears to be at 45 degree to VP. AC is appearing means directly there is no locus line in the problem. If appears is not there in the problem, then you will get the locus line. Here diagonal is appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degree. The corner C makes equal inclination with HP. The lamina makes 30 degree with VP. Right, this is the given problem. ABCD of 40 mm side, 40 mm side which rests on corner, which is resting on one of its corner. So we will construct. So parallel to this, we'll construct here a vertical line. So we'll draw a vertical line. From this point we should consider a 45 degree line. So we'll mark it as A point. From here we should take 45 degree line on either side. So draw a vertical line, take 45 degree line on either side. So 45 degree on either side. Then draw a line. With thin line you have to extend on either side. Then take distance of 40 mm. From the scale you should take distance of 40 millimeter. So take distance of 40 mm and cut on both the side. From this point, A point, cut on either side. And then from these points, wherever that 45 degree line intersected, draw arc on either side. So you'll get one more point. So this is B point, this is C point, this is D point. I will join all these points. Now this is resting on one of its corner because on either side it is inclined 45 degree. So corner should be at left side, resting on one of its corner. Right, corner should be of left side, resting on one of its corner on HP. It is resting on HP and one of its corner. Now draw the projectors. So B and D are passing in a one point. So we'll take B and C were passing at one point, and parallel to this so we should construct for C also. So for C so these are just for construction. From C also you should draw projector. Now from A I have drawn the projector, B, C, D, all projector I have drawn. just join these points, you will get lamina. So this, when you are weaving from this side, and one side is of 40 mm side. From this side, when you are weaving, A dash, B dash is visible, D dash is not visible, C dash. Then when it is resting on HP angle, you have to consider the beginning, it is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. So we'll take 30 degree from this point. I marked a point there. From that we'll take the 30 degree line. So I mark 30 degree. Then we'll join these 2 points. With thin line I have joined. Then this point is nothing but A dash point. We'll take the distances. A to C dash, A dash to C dash. Then we'll take the distance A to B. Then we'll cut from A to B. So we'll make the line dark. This part you have to make it dark. Here you will get here B dash D dash point, and here you will get C dash point. Now we'll draw the projectors from these points. It is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with HP. From A point, then from BC points, then from BD point, then from C point you have to draw. These set square are used for parallel lines. If you are not having grid books, you have to solve with help of this set square for parallel lines. And then from horizontal also you have to draw. So we'll take this as a reference, A to D, or we can take, so C I will draw from here. Then from A we have to draw. For that we'll take this as a reference. D point, B point. So all the points we got. Now we'll give the arrow marks for those. Now B is intersecting here, C is intersecting here, then A is intersecting here. This is C, this is A, and then D is intersecting at this point. Now we'll join all these ABCDs with the dark lines. Now inclined at an angle of 30 degree we got here. Now we should construct third position. So third position is the diagonal appears to be 45 degree. So we'll take directly 45 degree. There is no locus line. When appears is there is no locus line. appears to be inclined at 45 degree to VP. So we'll go for 45 degree line now. We'll mark here and we'll draw the 45 degree line. Otherwise you can extend this XY line because it will be overlapping, so we'll be extend. So you can take 45 degree line from this point. And then extend the line. With thin line you have to extend. So there is 45 degree line. Then mark this C point here. Take the distance of diagonal A, because appears to be is there, no need of any locus line. Directly this projector, that is this distance you have to take, that is after 30 degree inclination we got this distance, so that distance we have to take, and then cut the distance by C. That is A point we get here. Then take distance from B to C or B to A. B to A have got, and all these distances are same: B to C, C to D, A to B. All these distances will be same. So we'll construct, we'll draw arc on either sides. From A point 2 sides, from C point 2 sides. So we'll get another 2 points. So this is B, this is D. Now join this ABCD points. B to C, then A to B, then C to D. Now we got diagonal AC appears to be inclined 45 appears means we will not get any locus line here. So directly that's AC is inclined 45 degree. Now we will draw the projectors. From A point till it intersect A in the front view. This D point, so D point is, and then from A point, just I'm taking the parallel, then from A point till it intersect XY line. Then from C and B points, from B point, then from C point. I will draw the projector from horizontal. Vertically we have drawn. I will draw projector from horizontally. A is already drawn, so we'll take it as reference. From B and D you have to draw. Then we have to draw from C. So now give the arrow marks. So A from this point, both are intersecting at here. B point from here, both are intersecting here. Then C from here, it is intersecting. D from this point, D dash. Now we'll join ABCD, A to D point, next B to C point, C to D. Right, this is how you have to construct appears to be inclined. That diagonal appears to be inclined to VP at an angle of 45 degree.